Happening today, Atlanta is set to welcome thousands of visitors for CheerSport Nationals. It's a cheerleading competition and it is expected to boost the city's bottom line. But many worry it could also give the state's COVID numbers a surge as well. Joe Ripley is live in Atlanta. Joe, how are they planning to pull off the city's largest live event since the pandemic began without turning this into a super spreader event?
Yeah, it's going to be a tough task, Christy. So CheerSport Nationals going on at the Georgia World Congress Center this weekend. They're expected to have 10,000 competitors, about 40,000 people total, but they are asking for strict adherence and compliance to extensive safety protocols and precautions this weekend. The event inviting about half the teams it normally would. Organizers are saying staff will constantly clean and disinfect the areas where a team practices and performs. They're only allowing close friends, family members, and judges in those spots, and everyone is required to adhere to social distancing. This is going to be a test, though, for the city. Georgia just recorded its highest single-day COVID-19 death toll. Public health doctors are also worried competitors and their families could further spread the virus in between competition and around town, but there's no lack of confidence in these competitors.
Absolutely, we're hearing that they're worried, but I think if we're in a safe environment like we are right now, then we will be fine.
Christy, even sportsmanship will look different at CheerSport Nationals, the annual event here in Atlanta. Organizers are banning hugs and high fives among teams to stop the spread of COVID-19.
All right, a lot of elbow bumps and silent thumbs up. All right, thanks a lot, Joe.